What's up, everybody? It is me, C, back again with another sneaker review and unboxing. As you can tell with this beautiful purple layer, what I got here is the Nike SB Dunk Low Gold 58s. I was gonna say 52. I don't know where I get 52 from, but Gold 58s. All right. Pretty much. Oh, cool. All right. So I don't want to just say the color is light blue, but the colors we have here is blue chill, white, and safety orange. Blue chill, white, and safety orange. So I assume that's your blue chill, your white, and your safety orange. The materials on this thing, it's made out of it's definitely like a suede, similar to the Pink Pig SB. Nice glossy satin like, but not satin. Sock liner. Got Air Zoom on the insole. Nike SB. Instead of Nike SB on the tag, we have 58. And we have oh, that's weird. The swoosh looks wild. Not wild, but I thought it was like something that you can pull off. It looks like it. But the swoosh is made of leather material. All right, same thing. Sock liner on that shiny material. Zoom Air inside, which is the technology for comfort, and your Nike SB on the insole. All right, it comes with a pair of black laces installed. Comes with an additional set of white and I guess that safety orange, which matches with that outsole. I love when I don't know, I just like when kicks come with a pair, well, additional pairs of laces. Let's give us a little bit more. It's like a little gift, even if you don't wear it or plan on wearing it. I think it's a cool idea. As there are much more expensive sneakers you can buy that comes with nothing. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Very feels heavy. And this is a size 12, my size for the toe. But for some reason it looks much bigger. I don't know why, but definitely has that SB love feel and quality to it. Can't complain. Orange outsole, the light blue Nike SB, white midsole, and that blue chill upper. All right. We have 58 on the lateral side of both. 58 where the Nike SB tag should be on the tongue, and embroidered Nike on the back of the heel. What do you guys think? Was this one of the SBs you think is worth getting? It's following like the Pink Pig, the Hawaii, the Wheat Flats. It's one of those where I definitely could see these being slept on. But let's see how things go. I didn't look up what these are being valued at right now. Glue mark, no. Yeah, but I didn't look up what these are being valued at right now, but we're in time of Nike SB where everyone has to have a Nike dunk, SB dunk, because whoever's popular at the time, take a picture of them. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you for following. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for your review. Appreciate you all. Peace. Stay safe.